Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off.
Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So before we get into today's vlog, I would like to give a special shout out to Curlyme hair for sponsoring this portion of today's video. So they sent me over a Mongolian water wave frontal wig in 26 inches, and this is 250% density. So y'all know that I've worked with Curlyme hair several different times. I absolutely love their curly hair. Every time I wear my curly hair, I get so many compliments from you guys, from my people on Instagram, everywhere. Everybody loves my curly hair, and I have to say that the water wave is definitely my favorite. I've already told you guys about the nice lace that comes on these units. I don't bleach my lace. What I usually do is just put a little foundation on the parting, but look how deep the parting is. Like super deep parting, and when you first get the hair, it does look like the curls will be a little tighter than expected, but once you wash it, condition it, the curls will fall nicely. So I love it, and it's nice and full, but it's not heavy, it's not too hot, because I was thinking about cutting this unit to maybe like a short bob, but then I'm like, okay, well, it's so light. So I live in Florida, y'all know it's so hot, but like I said, this hair is nice and flowy and very light. So I do have a discount code, so make sure to click the link in the description box, save yourself some money. Okay y'all, so I have a few errands I need to run today. I need to go to the nail salon, I want to go to the mall, I have some stuff I want to take back to Target. I bought these two dresses and they were kind of giving me House on the Prairie. Like, I just wasn't feeling them, and then I said, well, let me try them on and let them see and let them tell me, but I wasn't feeling them at all. So I decided to take those back. So I'm gonna go to the nail salon, and then once I do get all of my errands done, then I'm gonna come back here, meet my brother's gonna come here, and we're gonna go have some lunch. So let me show y'all what I'm wearing really quick. Hopefully y'all can see it, but it's just something really simple. I'm just wearing these shorts are from H&M. This top is just like a regular basic top, also from H&M, and I just paired them together. I'm wearing my Louis Vuitton bag, and I still haven't decided what shoes I'm gonna wear. I'm just gonna wear some slides just to chill, because I'm gonna do a lot of walking. So yeah, that is the look for today. I have these shorts in 3 different colors. I have them in black, white, and then the brown. I got them a while ago, I think when they first came out. So if they still have them available on the website, I'll try to link them for y'all. But if not, if y'all don't see them in the description box, it's because they were not available. So while I'm thinking about it, let me go ahead and tell y'all the perfume that I'll be wearing today. And showing you guys the perfume that I wear kind of forces me to switch it up, because I wear the same one every time, because I've been like really loving that Chanel. But today I guess I will wear my Valentino. So yeah, this is the perfume that I will be wearing today. So I'm at the mall, and look who I spy with my little eye. So I'm gonna go over there to him. He don't know I'm in here. Watch this. I'll let these girls go by. Watch this, y'all. Oh my God, black denim. Y'all look who it is. Yeah, look who it is. We meet again.
You know, got my stance going. I'm gonna see this.
Yeah, so where we going, Rain? Have we decided?
Was it Katina or something?
Oh, so you want to go to that one in the town center?
That's not town center. That's town center.
Yeah, it is. The town center is Cantina Loretto, right across the street from J. Alexander. Cantina Loretto is more like a upscale Mexican place. They got bomb guacamole. They make it right there in front of you. Oh, it's so good. It's so good.
Okay.
All right, y'all, we're here. Well, we're walking up to the spot. I'm so hungry too. I haven't had anything to eat. You hungry, Ryan?
You special and she reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah, oh yeah. Like how you do it alright. Everything good, alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, alright, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Love best friend and be family. I'm the storm in your dream, making wet dreams come true. She know she bad, better than bad. She a gunshot that blew my mind. No distance, I come by my side. Everything is green over here. Everything you want and think about. Now I got your back all the way. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah, oh yeah. Like how you do it alright. Everything good, alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, alright, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Love best friend and be family. Me and you, we can be something we want to. When I see the dream we're chasing true, we don't care for me, yeah, yeah. Luckily we're free to be first class, riding casually, yeah, yeah. I wanna know it tonight.
All right, y'all, so we got caught in the rain. We're back at my house. We got caught in the rain. We're super tired, but what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna insert a clip. I made some zucchini rolls or whatever. I'm gonna pop up something on the side just to show y'all. I got it from TikTok. I made it twice, and then I posted it on my Instagram. You guys probably seen it if you follow me on Instagram. So I decided that I would make it again and make sure that I add the clips in for you guys to watch. So I'm gonna play that clip, let you guys watch that really quick. And like I said, this is the girl that you see right here. This is her that I got the recipe from on TikTok. So enjoy that clip. Didn't that look good? It was so good, y'all. I had to make it 2 days in a row. It was so good. I think the second time was better because I made sure to add a few seasonings to the ricotta cheese. You can add whatever seasonings you want, and I did not use the egg because y'all know me and egg don't really get along like that. So I don't really like eating eggs, so I didn't add the egg. But you guys can do it however you want to do it. But I made sure that I seasoned my zucchini, seasoned the ricotta cheese along with the other cheeses that I added just to give it a little more flavor. The marinara sauce, you can add spaghetti sauce, it's basically the same thing. So I did that and it turned out really good. Tony liked it too. So I think that's a new dish that I'll be making from now on, just something real light. So yeah, we did have some guacamole left over. I love guacamole, I'm a big fan, and I make some really good homemade guacamole. I haven't did it in a while, but I made some really good homemade guacamole. My hair look crazy because y'all, we start running. It was raining like so hard. It is 6:14. If y'all in Jacksonville, y'all know like it is raining cats and dogs outside right now. I did go to Home Goods yesterday and I found this little vase right here. I thought it was so cute, and I didn't have anything to put in it just yet, so I decided to pull a few of my lilies from over there and put it in this vase, and I love the way that it turned out. It was so pretty. I only paid like 13 bucks for this vase. So cute, right? I love it. It's so pretty. I'm gonna probably get like some little tulips or something to put in this. So cute. And my little air wick has been working so good. I told y'all when I showed y'all this the last time that I wanted to get the black one, but I couldn't find the black one. I only saw the shorter air wicks, so I wanted to get the black one for up front, and then I was gonna put this one in my room, but I could not find it. So somebody told me on Instagram to check CVS because I've been to Target and maybe like 2 different Walmarts, 3 different Targets, and I couldn't find the black one. So I'm gonna try like a CVS or something like that. But I love this idea, y'all. I'm never going back to the regular air wicks. I will always use the Bath and Body Works scents from now on. I am just chilling. I need to go ahead and put this video out because I'm not doing anything else for the rest of the day. Ryan's still here. He's in the room editing his vlog. I know I'm gonna get some questions about my little foam shoes. Y'all remember I showed you guys those shoes when I first got them. I found them on Public Desire, and I said, why not save myself some money? I only paid $20 for those shoes and they look exactly the same. Okay, so if you want to save a coin, I'll have the link in the description box. But I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Iamsherikab. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, y'all.
Don't take it personal, I ain't lying. I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm